This is another tech house music production made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. This one's entitled Make Me Feel. Yeah, so using the Reason Studio software, guys. So this one is made by myself and my daughter Renae. So hope you like it, guys. Tap in for more from this channel. Yes. So if you like it, guys, remember to hit up this channel and leave a comment, suggestion, hit a like, subscribe, check out Linktr.ee/TommyTappah, and yeah, if you're on the socials, just follow and go from there. Tap in for more from this channel right here.